Hi there, this is Sergey from SmartyKit, and today I'm gonna highlight the key things to test your SmartyKit during assembly. Some people call it debugging, we can call it testing, and the very basic rule needs to be used is divide and conquer for sure. Everything that is related to CPU, memory, and all those chips for input-output, different source of ports, they could be tested by themselves, running low CPU clock rate from keyboard controller and checking the sequence of post that is already written in memory in ROM. And so you can check this video with these tests and you can follow the LEDs, how do they blink, and check whether this specific model is working or not. The post sequence was designed that every next test is using the results of the previous one. So basically you need to check first of all that the first test with the memory decoder is working. Before this you already tested the CPU itself with this, checking this address bus, it's blinking, and then you just follow the steps, and by the end you see video port with connected LEDs, and you see all indications there. So if basically it could be run for like 10-15 seconds, that's it. It means like CPU and all this computing part is working. The third part is to test how do they connect one to one, this terminal part and this CPU part. And what is also necessary to mention that sometimes batteries are running low, so you need to check them to have fresh ones, and this potentially could be sometimes a problem. So this is the basics, the very basics, and for sure we're gonna show you some in extra videos. We're gonna show you some more specific for every module. So stay tuned.